Welcome to another episode and video on my driving robot Mydfir, using color sensors, line following sensor and sonar for detecting objects and, if possible, avoiding them. Also lights and lamps and the buzzer to signal that something is detected or found, and that's the same. Last time I tried to figure out if the algorithm for line following was still accurate considering the many mistakes, and I did not find a real error in the algorithm, so I'm still wondering why things go wrong. I do know that it is a very narrow. The slightest turn can change a condition completely, and that is not nice. One of the things that I want to do is checking the real distance. So I have the two objects here at different distances. Considering the 30 degrees angle, I can now detect something at 36 centimeters, but also at, and that's a problem of course, at 28 centimeters and at a much longer distance. So how to deal with this? Well, let's first see if the algorithm works anyway. So enter to do something. Well, that was a very little move. And by the way, this is the other end of the computer end of the data link, and here you see the receiving end. Although it's a transceiver, it transmits and receives, and it is a fully charged battery. So why it does behave this way? Oh, it says moving slowly left. So I intend not to interfere, but I'm not quite sure that's going to work out. And right now I hear the motors whining, so I stop the algorithm for a moment and I start it again. Okay, let's interfere. Still following the line. And it is not yet even at the curve. It is moving way too slow, and now it should have detected it, and it has detected both, and suddenly the distances go way over. One is, the right side is at 87 centimeters, or something is anyway. Now this is 87 centimeters, so there is something at 87. But it should not respond to that. Neither should it at 11 centimeters. So it detects it, but why is it not doing anything? Oh, because probably, yeah, most likely it has got off the line. So that's something I should look for, that the line is not interrupting the sonar anymore. That is very important. Let's look at that one. So, point is now that it still runs, and by the 4 ones you can see that indeed it has run off the track. And let's go way back. Oh, that's not far enough. So and here we have the data of the whole story, and let's look at line 4 being 1. So right until this moment it has successfully written. Then here it gets 1, then it's, oh, that is probably because this is probably the first time I corrected it. So let's find the second one. Yes. Oh. Well, it does give a reaction here. So this means that red lamp 3 times, half. Why? But here it needs the sonar. Question. Red lamp 3 times, half. But why? Yeah. Wait. It says distance D1 before response is something, but it doesn't print it, so it's something else, because this is D1 reaction, which is here. So why doesn't it do this? That means that I will have to find something else. D1 voor reactie. Not found. I look forwards and backwards, and in both situations it doesn't find it, which I find very odd, because motor D reaction is here, and this is D1, not D3. So why is this one not printed? That is very odd. So it says red lamp 3 times, that is without a doubt this line. So right here. And then this one should come. Then we have this one, that is exactly, that is correct. No, that is not correct. Because this is written, yes, it is correct. So this one, that is this one, and then we have this one. Oh wait, I don't. There's an error from my side. Ooh, I'm looking into the data file, but this one is not written in the data file. Ooh. Control C. And Control V. And now I have to do something else. I have to do f dot right, and that's how this works. Does it work? It should. If it doesn't, I will notice soon enough. So getting back here and save and go. Yep. So with this improvement, I hope, I go again. Invalid syntax. Oh, that's a nice one. Not good. Line 25, please. Yeah. Nowhere else that I think of. Okay. Go again. Trying to follow the line. Uh-oh. Yeah, right. Never mind. So, once again, line 4. Of course, not a big chunk of data. Which is no good. So let's try again. From here somewhere, measuring distances. This is 23, kind of. This, oops. This is 17. And from this angle there's a lot more longer distances, as is this from that angle, but I don't care because it should respond from 8 centimeters. Okay, another attempt. Okay, I was afraid of that. Exactly one argument, so that was the reason that I take a right exactly like this. So I have to do it like this and then say here f dot right and then the second one is a right. Oh yeah, and then I have to do a new line. Alright. Let's go again. So, once again, a disadvantage of Python, you won't know a syntax is correct until you actually encounter the condition. So, go. Oh, come on. $22. No, 49, 49, 49. This one. Expected character buffer object. Oh. Yeah, okay, okay. So how to do with this one? Because I am getting it right here as well as one and before for reactie. Oh, that's a nice one. So let's take this one out and put it like here. And although it's exactly the same what I'm doing here, exactly the same, although this is not making any sense. Yeah, okay. I'm doing two times the same thing here. So what's the use of it? Except that this is better readable. Okay, anyway. Yeah, go. It has completely lost the line. Not anymore. Oops. But it has lost the line, so it doesn't do a thing anymore, because the middle of the line is here. So there it goes again. And there it responds again. 11. And And why does it turn this way? And it has lost the line. So I'm going to put it again here. And that's not what I intend to. No. So why does it do this anyway? It wants to turn. Okay. Why does it want to do this anyway? I need to find out why. Alright. So M3 slowly left. No, not good. Find M3 slowly left. Really. So first M1 stopped and then M3 slowly left. And why is that? Because it's on the right side of the line. So, well, the robot is not on the line at the right side of the line. It's on the left side. What's the input anyway? Yeah, alright. So this is as it should be, so now I should be running, and as soon as I find this one I have to see whatever it is. So close, start, and now I did see, oh well, that was too fast. Again. It is driving. It is doing nothing because it has lost the line. Okay. What is it? What did I do? I don't mind, it's alright. Okay. So, right here. Right. No, there's already too much. So, go. Alright. It says slowly left. It's still on the line. Question. What do the sensors say? Alright. So 1011. 1011 somewhere, somehow. But how? 1011. Here, 1011, which is inside right side of the line. And this should mean, this does mean, while not this, do this. M1 stop, M3 slowly left. Is there another 1011 or this? Um, 1010, but this is not the same condition. Not the same condition. No. So this means that this is the only condition where this exactly happens. The 1011, which indicates what? I think that this algorithm is wrong. It is in this situation 1011, and it tries to track this, but will this work? M3 slowly left. What will happen? What will happen? For how long? This is a good question. For how long will this happen? One zero one one again. Here I have 1 again. This is the situation. 1011. This only takes a very short moment to get to 1010. So it should stop immediately, and that it very clearly does not. How to change that? Very good question. So, at the end of this episode, I find out that, well, the algorithm for line following is suboptimal. For very short distances, it gets on and on, it misses the moment. And I think that's the problem, because when I use the diagnostics, it is only for a fraction of a second to correct, and then it gets line again. And what happens in the algorithm, and I have to admit that this is maybe not fast enough, this whole connection, maybe, that it loses the line altogether. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you like. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. And since recently also Instagram TV. Please see my website or on Instagram. So this is of course to be continued. Thanks for watching and bye bye.